This is what you do if your LG washing machine is giving you a code on the screen of DR. Alright, so you go down here, see this piece of plastic right here? You'll take a paint can opener, you can get it at Home Depot, Lowe's, or anything. Put it in this hole, like so, and pull it out. You want to put it in all 3 holes. Once you pull this out, it might be a bit hard. You'll see this bolt. It might look a lot dirtier than this. It was dirtier until I vacuumed it. This is a 10mm. Take a 10mm socket. Right there, it says 10. It's upside down. But you can see it says 10 and a wrench, and you'll undo. You can get a 10mm from Home Depot or AutoZone or any auto parts store. Then you need to go to the back and undo these 4 Phillips head screws. Those 2 and these 2. There's going to be this big piece of metal. Take that out. And then you'll go down here. You'll have a vacuum ready. After you've vacuumed the inside of the tub, used a shop vac. You'll have the vacuum ready right here. Undo this clip by simply squeezing it and pulling it back. It would be on here. And then pull off this hose. Once you do that, it's going to start pouring immediately, and you'll want to take your vacuum and start vacuuming. And then that's it. That's what was stopping the whole washing machine from draining. Thanks for watching.